Built on YG's fully integrated industrial chain, our consumer tape section presents a broad range of core products, including packaging tape, duct tape, masking tape, PVC electrical and warning tape, as well as double-sided tape, aluminum foil tape, Kraft paper tape, Washi tape, and various specialty tapes. These products serve a wide range of applications across packaging, logistics and transportation, hardware and construction, office and stationery, and the automotive aftermarket. The packaging display section showcases YG's finished product solutions tailored to different markets. In China, YG focuses on the hardware and building materials channel. We bring together tapes and related accessories and offer standardized bundle solutions. For Europe, the United States, Japan, and Korea, YG adapts to different channel characteristics, design preferences, and display requirements to provide retail customers a complete customization support. Our final stop is the Sustainability and Responsibility Hall. This section highlights YG's ongoing efforts in compliant operations, green development, corporate social responsibility, and corporate culture. Here, it becomes even more clear that what drives YG's continued growth is not only technology, manufacturing, and products, but also a professional, dedicated team that keeps moving forward. From our development journey to our global footprint, from core technologies to industrial and consumer applications, from green innovation to responsible operations, YG remains committed to the field of adhesive new materials and continuously delivers high-quality, sustainable, integrated solutions to customers around the world. YGGroup, Glue Greatness, a brand of China. Work with us, YG, your reliable partner.